record this. Okay, so I'm going to send this to you in the chat to show you what I'm talking about. When you get to the questions where you have, there's Britton, when you have infinities, okay, you can go into your function box and type the infinity, and that's fine. But for your quiz today, type the words out because that makes it a little bit easier for me. When I put the answers in, okay, when I set it up, this is going to maybe make sense and maybe not. When I actually do the questions will allow me to use the function. But when I put in the answers, it will not let me do the infinity signs. I don't know how to do that. I can't get it to do it. So I just typed it as words. And if you guys don't mind doing that, it'll make it faster for me to grade because it'll just show that you got it right. Okay. So, and it's negative infinity, the word, to positive infinity. If you need to copy that down, you can. Again, it's going to be on the video I just recorded. So you're going to go into your Canvas and you're going to do your week 1 in review. What else you're going to do is a few of you have not done really well on some of your quizzes. So I opened those back up. So those are the 2 things that you need to do today. Any quiz that you have not made a 100 on, I opened back up for you. You can make a 100. But remember, if there's anything to upload, you have to upload it. Okay. If on the second attempt you make lower for some reason, you should not. But if you do, then you will get the higher of the 2 scores, okay? What you also need to realize is your scores in Canvas are in points, and I don't do points, I do percentages. So I've been trying to tell you what your score is. And if I haven't done that, it's probably because it's 100 or I just absolutely forgot as I'm going through the grading. But by probably about 2:15 today, if not earlier, I'm going to start putting your stuff into PowerSchool. So you should start seeing your actual grades into PowerSchool. What I would like to do is maybe even wait till Sunday. And the reason I kind of want to wait till Sunday is to give you guys a chance to get those quizzes in. I don't want to put a 50 or a 20 in for you and you've retaken it and made 100 on it. So if y'all are okay with that, I may put all the really good grades in and then may just hold off on the other grades. So come Monday morning, when I look back over it on Monday morning, you should have an actual grade before you start this class. Are there any questions on that at all? And I am not giving you more than 2 chances. Okay, is everybody good? Yes, turn on your mics. Tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Is what we're doing today, is that a grade or is it just to see what we
It is a grade, but it's not very hard. It's a review of everything we've done to remind you what we're doing. There are 2 questions that you have to graph. All the rest are either multiple choice, typing in like this infinity to negative infinity. It's not a bunch of work. The only work are the last 2 questions that are graphed, and they're the domain restriction graphs. Okay. For your translations or your transformations and reflections, like you did on your quiz yesterday that we went over, there's like multiple things that you can click. So if it's a right for, you click right for. If it's an up to, you click right to. And if there is a reflection, you click which one. And if there's not, you click there is no reflection. So everybody understand that. You'll see when you get there. So what I want you to do now is if you don't have any questions, you may go ahead and go start doing that. Guys, work on this and get it done. I would like at least the week 1 review done in this period. It is not, y'all, it's not going to take you an hour to do. Keely, are you still in here?
Yeah.
How long did it take you to do yours? Because I know I just graded yours.
Less than 10 minutes.
You see what I'm saying? So you guys have plenty of time to do this. Like, I'm not trying to be like, this is just basically your attendance thing today, like always. And then I'm trying to give you time to go back and fix those other quizzes so that you don't have crappy grades, because I want you to do well. So again, this is the time to ask questions. If you are happy with everything you're doing and you're good to go, you can get out of here and your other things should be open. And if not, I'm gonna stay here and talk to you. Or if you just want to stay and talk, you can talk. But again, don't forget the negative infinity to positive infinity. Type it in.
So on the 1.4 quiz, How would you graph like the questions that say y equals x squared? Are they just straight lines?
No, they're x squared. Okay, let me let me get some graph paper or my little graphs, and I will show you. I'll share with my screen with you in just a second. So give me 2 seconds to get set up. Oh. Share screen. It's not up there yet. Let's not do that. Just give me a minute. I'm sorry. I wasn't prepared. I apologize. And actually, I'm going to stop this recording.